Could 15 time-tested Amish herbal secrets still be the remedy modern medicine overlooks? Stick around. By the end, you'll discover natural therapies that have stood the test of time. Hi, I'm NF, and today we're unlocking ancient Amish wisdom, 15 herbal remedies your doctor might never mention. Let's dive. Amish herbal traditions aren't about trends. They're about quiet wisdom, passed down through generations, rooted in the earth. For centuries, the garden was the pharmacy, and the Amish have kept this connection alive. Today, we'll explore these remedies with respect, looking at how simple plants can become trusted allies for health and wellness. Let's get started. Let's begin with a plant as resilient as the people who use it, yarrow. In Amish tradition, yarrow root is a cornerstone of the home apothecary, used to stop bleeding and soothe wounds. A poultice or powder of yarrow root is the first response for cuts and scrapes. Internally, yarrow tea is used to calm indigestion and cramps. The Amish value remedies with multiple uses, and yarrow is a perfect example. Modern science is starting to confirm its anti-inflammatory properties. While clinical trials are limited, yarrow's reputation is built on generations of experience. It's a bridge between folk wisdom and modern science. Sometimes, the simplest plants hold the most profound secrets. Now, let's talk about B&W salve and burdock leaves, a legendary Amish first aid combo. B&W salve is a drawing ointment used to pull out splinters and soothe skin issues. The tradition: apply the salve, cover with a burdock leaf, and let nature do the work. This remedy is trusted because it works. Stories of stubborn splinters and angry boils resolved are common in Amish families. The ingredients, pine tar, honey, botanicals, each have their own properties, but the combination is a product of tradition. There's little scientific research, but deep community trust. It's a symbol of self-reliance and the power of shared knowledge. Sometimes tradition is its own kind of evidence. What many see as a weed, the Amish treasure as a wellness powerhouse: dandelion. Dandelion root tea is a classic blood cleanser and liver tonic believed to gently detoxify the body. The milky sap is dabbed on warts, a resourceful use of a common plant. Modern nutrition confirms dandelion's vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Its leaves are a natural diuretic, supporting kidney function. While more research is needed, centuries of use speak volumes. Dandelion is a reminder that the most valuable remedies are often right at our feet. Nature's generosity in a sunny yellow flower. Amish mothers cherish a blend of raspberry leaf and nettle tea during pregnancy. Raspberry leaf is believed to tone the uterus, while nettle provides vital minerals, especially iron. This gentle tonic supports the body and nourishes mother and child. The tradition is passed from mother to daughter, a ritual of care and connection. Always consult a healthcare provider before using herbs in pregnancy. Some recommend it only in the third trimester. Safety comes first. This remedy highlights the importance of blending tradition with modern guidance. It's about nurturing trust and the wisdom of women. The legendary super tonic is the Amish answer to colds and flu, a fiery blend of garlic, onion, horseradish, ginger, hot peppers, and apple cider vinegar. A spoonful at the first sign of illness is believed to kick the immune system into gear. Making it is a ritual, chopping, mixing, and infusing for weeks. Each ingredient has proven benefits, but the synergy is a matter of tradition. It's intense, meant for small doses only. Science supports some effects, but the real power is in the practice. Super tonic is a bold testament to using strong, natural ingredients for resilience. Sometimes the best defense is a little fire. The plantain leaf, often stepped on, rarely noticed, is a staple Amish remedy for bug bites and scrapes. The method: chew a clean leaf, apply it to the bite, and let its juices soothe and reduce swelling. No prep, no equipment, just knowledge and trust in nature. Every Amish child learns this first aid lesson from the land itself. Plantain's anti-inflammatory properties are supported by some studies, though large trials are few. It's a remedy cherished for its simplicity and accessibility. The earth provides answers right where the problem occurs. Sometimes, the best medicine is underfoot. Comfrey, known as bone knit, is a legendary Amish remedy for bruises, sprains, and minor fractures. The leaves are infused into oil, then made into a salve for external use. Comfrey's allantoin stimulates cell growth, aiding tissue repair. Generations trust it for faster healing, but modern science warns, never use comfrey internally and only on unbroken skin. Pyrrolizidine alkaloids can be toxic to the liver. Comfrey is a powerful example of balancing tradition with caution. Used wisely, it's a nurturing ally for recovery. Respect the plant and its risks. As winter approaches, Amish kitchens prepare elderberry syrup, a sweet, immune-boosting staple. Elderberries are simmered, strained, and mixed with honey and spices for a delicious, family-friendly remedy. A daily spoonful is believed to ward off colds and flu. Science shows elderberries are rich in antioxidants, and some studies suggest they may reduce flu symptoms. The tradition is as much about comfort as prevention. Elderberry syrup is a symbol of preparation and seasonal wisdom. It's a delicious shield for the cold months. Nature's sweetness bottled for winter. Slippery elm bark is the Amish go-to for sore throats and digestive discomfort. Mixed with water, it forms a soothing gel that coats and calms irritated tissues. A warm tea brings immediate relief for scratchy throats and upset stomachs. Its gentle, protective action is valued for both children and adults. Slippery elm's legacy is long, once listed in the official U.S. Pharmacopoeia. It's a gentle hug for your throat and stomach. Sometimes comfort is the best cure. Healing can be soft, not just strong. Golden seal root is a potent, bitter medicine revered for its cleansing and infection-fighting power. Traditionally used as a natural antibiotic and immune booster, it's taken at the first sign of illness. The active compound berberine has proven antimicrobial effects. Golden seal's popularity has led to overharvesting. Use it responsibly. It's a serious remedy for serious concerns. Potent herbs require knowledge and care. Golden seal is both protector and precious resource. Respect the plant and the balance of nature. Calendula, or pot marigold, is the gentle healer of Amish skincare. Calendula ointment soothes cuts, scrapes, burns, and rashes, even on a baby's skin. The petals are infused in oil, then blended with beeswax for a creamy salve. Its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties are supported by science. Calendula is about gentle persuasion, not force. Healing can be as simple as spreading sunshine on your skin. Sometimes the softest touch is the most effective. Nature's golden comfort in a jar. Peppermint oil is a powerful, versatile remedy in Amish homes. For headaches, a drop is massaged onto temples and neck for cooling relief. For indigestion, a drop in hot water soothes the stomach. The menthol relaxes muscles and calms pain. Use with care. Peppermint oil is potent and should be diluted. Modern studies confirm its effects on pain and digestion. Peppermint is proof that simple plants can offer quick, targeted relief. Sometimes the answer is refreshingly cool. Valerian root is the Amish answer to sleepless nights and anxious minds. A tea made from the earthy root is a gentle, natural sleep aid. It calms the nervous system, helping the body drift off naturally. The ritual of sipping valerian tea signals it's time to rest. Science suggests it interacts with GABA, promoting relaxation. Drowsiness is a primary effect, never used before driving. Valerian is a reminder that the earth offers peace as well as energy. Sometimes rest is the greatest gift. Horehound candy is a nostalgic Amish remedy for coughs and sore throats. Made from horehound tea and sugar, it soothes by stimulating saliva and loosening phlegm. The bittersweet flavor is a classic comfort, especially for children. It's a treat that blurs the line between food and medicine. Horehound is an expectorant, helping clear the airways. Today, it's a specialty item, but its legacy endures. Sometimes the best remedies are the simplest and sweetest. A taste of the past, soothing the present. The classic Amish cough syrup is made from onion, lemon, and honey, simple pantry staples. Sliced onion and lemon are layered in a jar, covered with honey, and left to infuse. The resulting syrup is sweet, soothing, and gentle enough for children. Onion provides sulfur compounds, lemon brings vitamin C, and honey soothes and fights microbes. A spoonful calms coughs and comforts irritated throats. This remedy is born of love and practicality, passed down through generations. Sometimes the best medicine is made at home. Healing can be as close as your kitchen. These 15 Amish remedies reflect deep-rooted traditions and natural wisdom. Always consult a healthcare professional before trying new herbs, especially if pregnant or medicating. This journey isn't about rejecting modern medicine, but enriching our understanding of wellness. These plants are stories, testaments to patience, observation, and respect for nature. Healing can be found in our backyards and kitchens if we know where to look. By blending old ways with new, we expand our toolkit for a healthy, balanced life. Which remedy surprised you most? Drop a comment, hit like, and subscribe for more herbal insights. Want more on a specific remedy? Let me know.